Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. So Solana has come back and pulled back to the red support level here on the chart, which is the $40 level. Now this could develop to a head and shoulders pattern. Absolutely possible. For that we would need to come down to the $40 level again, and if that level then breaks, then I think we could see prices all the way down to again $31, that low. So to make the current scenario work that I'm going to show you, this $40 level needs to hold. I mean, in the very worst case, what needs to hold is here the 38.50 level. But in my opinion, to keep going here with this imminent bullishness on the chart, we need to hold the $40 level. Yeah, that is needed. Just take that out. That is needed. Yeah, otherwise we'll have that head and shoulders and might drop lower. The 38.50 level would, from an Elliott wave point of view, invalidate this current scenario. So what we talked about already was here that the low could be in for Solana. The likelihoods increase as we take out more and more resistance levels and move higher and higher. We've been tracking the bullish scenario since we were down here, yeah, and kept going here with this first impulse, then a wave 2 down, now in a third wave. Within the third wave, we've already got a 1 and a 2, and we are now in the 3 here in green. So important is what is happening here in the wave 3 in green. So we can currently give a bullish count the benefit of the doubt. We are not completely here out of the woods yet. We nearly reached my next target here at 48.41. Told you that above that level we can, or in my opinion at least, I expect a larger rally, possibly all the way up to $58, and then above that we can go to 75 and so on. But what is very imminently interesting is what is happening here in this wave 3 in green. I've made a few changes, nothing major, and however, the way we can currently count this is that we've come up here in a 5-wave move. I showed you that in the previous video, in a 1 and a 2. And we haven't finished the wave 3, so actually no change really. But for me, my opinion is we haven't reached the wave 3 yet. Can't have anyway. So that this here was a 1, this a 2. This must have been, because the way we come down here at the moment, we came down a bit too much. So it can't just be a 3 and a 4. So this here must be, in the current scenario, a 1, a subwave of that wave, of that white wave 3. And then we've done the yellow wave 2 already. So hope you understand, a wave 3 in itself consists of 5 waves. And that means here in this higher level wave 3 in green, we also have to have 5 waves here in white. And we are now in that third wave. And in the third wave, you also have 5 waves. Here in yellow, a 1 and a 2. And based on that, we would now start the wave 3. Now that might be a bit of an optimistic view. But if the price can hold the $40 level, or in the worst case 38.50, we can continue with this wave count. Best indication that wave 3 in yellow here has started. That would, in my opinion, be a move above 46.45, that previous swing high. And I think confirmation will obviously have above 47.61. I can give you a target for that yellow wave 3, but again, it absolutely requires that wave, that 38.50 are holding. We need to. So the target would be 54.42 for yellow wave 3, 54 roughly. And then that means this will significantly move up all the targets for these other wave 3s which are coming. And this very nicely illustrates that if you have a lot of 1-2 setups, your targets go higher and higher, because the 1-2 setups are generating the foundation for something very bullish. Now again, if we lose 38.50, this is something else, then might get a bit tricky. Then we have to find a way to count this differently, and we would then probably have to count this as a larger 1-2, yeah, taking out one subwave. But for now, we can give it the benefit of the doubt. Ultimately, yeah, a longer term, medium term, to keep this up, we need to hold this down here, the beginning of this wave up. So basically the 31.80 level. even more important would be the 30.85 level. I think if we go below that level, then we're also going to go down below that 26.70 level, that swing low here from when was it, the 14th or 13th of June. Okay, for now we can give it the benefit of the doubt. Good, really, in my opinion, best indication and evidence that the rally is continuing would be a move above that 47.80 level here, that wave one. Then of course we've got the 48.41 level, and above that I think we are then going to reach the $58 level. So it's going to be interesting. Yeah, it's going to be interesting. I must say Solana is holding quite well compared to some other cryptos here that dropped quite significantly. But yeah, for now this is important to track this sort of, first of all, $40 level and then 38.50. All right, and that's my view about Solana. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.